Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X7 versus the Volvo XC90 crash test performance and safety features. We'll examine their structural integrity, advanced driver assistance systems, and overall occupant protection. This comparison will help you understand how each SUV prioritizes passenger safety through robust design and innovative technology, ensuring peace of mind on the road. When it comes to crash test performance, both the BMW X7 and Volvo XC90 demonstrate exceptional results across various evaluations. They consistently earn top marks in frontal impact scenarios, effectively managing crash forces. Additionally, both vehicles provide strong protection in side impact collisions and exhibit impressive roof strength, minimizing intrusion during rollovers. Beyond their physical crashworthiness, both the X7 and XC90 are equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Automatic emergency braking, which can prevent or mitigate collisions, is a standard offering. Lane keeping assist actively helps drivers stay within their lane, while blind spot monitoring provides crucial alerts, significantly enhancing overall driver awareness and reducing accident risks. Occupant protection is paramount in both of these luxury SUVs. They feature extensive airbag systems, strategically placed to cushion occupants from various angles during an impact. For families, easily accessible child seat anchors ensure secure installation. Furthermore, advanced seatbelt pretensioners and load limiters work in conjunction to optimize occupant restraint, reducing injury severity in a crash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.